So how do you get extra credits on Recraft AI? Right now, there are only two options to get more credits so you can generate more pictures on Recraft AI. So the first option is of course by upgrading to a paid plan. If you click the upgrade button right here, you'll see that there are three different options. There is basic, advanced, and then pro plan. And the basic version will give you 1000 credits every month, while the maximum plan, which is the pro plan, will give you 8400 credits every month. So that's actually quite a lot. But there is a way for you to get up to 4000 credits for free by just sharing your invite link to your friends. So let me give you an example. Now I'm going to close this. If you click on the invite button, or if you click on this button, you can click earn credits. And here you'll see the link that you could share to your friends. And if your friends sign up using your link, they will receive 200 bonus credits, but you will also receive the same amount of credits. So if I click this link, and if I copy it, if I open it on a, let's say, incognito window, you'll see there's going to be a message when someone is signing up using that link. So they'll get this notification, or they'll get this message telling the new user that you'll get 200 free credits. So that's actually win-win for both users. And after that, after the user sign up, they must create something. They must create at least one image to confirm that they were able to create an account and then using the service. And you will receive an email message from Recraft that you just got, or you just refer someone to Recraft AI, and the credit will be submitted, or will be basically applied to your account. You receive an email that look like this from Recraft. Great news, you have successfully referred someone to Recraft, so we have added extra credits to both your accounts. So that's really great because we got the benefit, but also the person that is signed up using our link will receive the same thing. But there is something here that you need to keep in mind. You can only receive up to 4000 credits. So that's the maximum amount allowed, or maximum amount that you can get by referring people to Recraft AI. Once you reach 4000 credits, well, you cannot receive any more credits. Basically, people can still sign up using your link and they'll still receive the credits, but you cannot receive more credits anymore. So that's the limit. Now here I actually have multiple accounts, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I actually use the link from the previous account to sign up, so I get the extra 200 credits. And in theory, you could use multiple emails to create a Recraft account and then get free credits, but I think that's not practical. I think at some point it is much more practical, much easier to just subscribe to the paid plan on Recraft AI. But if you're not willing to do that, you can still use the 4000 credits from Recraft, and I think that's quite a lot. Even right now, I'm still unable to use all of it, given that Recraft will actually give you 50 credits every day anyway. So yeah, you can use this feature to get extra credits if you want to create more or generate more pictures on Recraft AI. So that's how you can get more credits for free using Recraft AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.